After pouring the foundation, the next step was to pour the walls. The rebar was left exposed. Additional rebar was added, and a plywood form was placed on either side. The forms had holes drilled into them that held wire spacers with blue inserts. Both sides were formed up, and then 2x4s were added for rigidity. Clamps were placed to hold everything together. These clamps held the little ends of the spacer and pressed against the 2x4s, providing a rigid form. Concrete was then pumped into the wall forms and allowed to cure. Once cured, the 2x4s were removed, and then the plywood panels. Later, the spacers were broken off and the holes were covered with concrete mixture. Since there was a corridor through the center, one half was done first, then the other half. Concrete was again poured and allowed to cure until the project was completed.